This just gives us the opportunity to help our families and make sure our students have all of the supplies that they need to be successful in school.
We wanted to partner with a local Tempe school to help students in need. We wanted to bring together supplies for the school and help kids that needed supplies for the school year.
We love bringing community members in all of the time. They can be there with our students, we can have them come in and help volunteer, but the supplies that they brought in today will give our students everything they need for reading and writing and those art projects. It's just really exciting to see that they'll have everything they need.
As someone who's a partner of a school teacher as well, it really means a lot, like having to buy tissues out of our own budget every month and things like that, being able to give it back.
I just think it's something that we're going to do ongoing, and we're going to stay in touch with Michelle and throughout the year continue to do different projects.
We absolutely love to have community connections. We know how important it is to bring in members of our community to support our students. They make a huge impact every day with what they do for our schools, and we're so grateful.